Welcome to Across the Globe. Today we will learn about Go packages and modules. In Go, a package comprises Go source files in a shared directory with the same package name declaration. Packages serve to organize and recycle code, offering developers a method to divide code into manageable segments and steer clear of naming clashes. For instance, a developer creating a web application might use separate packages for database operations, user authentication, and API handling to maintain code modularity and organization. To create a package in Go, you need to create a directory with the package name and place the source files inside it. After creating the package, you can use it in another Go file by importing it using the import keyword followed by the package name. For instance, let's say you have a package named myPackage with a function called hello in a file named mypackage.go. In another file named main.go, you want to use the hello function from the myPackage package. To achieve this, you import the myPackage like so. Import myPackage. When you import the myPackage, you can access its functions by referencing the package name followed by a dot and the function name. In this case, you would call mypackage.hello to execute the hello function from the myPackage package. By properly organizing and importing packages in Go, you can modularize your code, enhance reusability, and maintain a structured code base. Go modules are a tool in the Go programming language to handle project dependencies effectively. By utilizing modules, developers can dictate and manage the exact versions of dependencies required in their projects. This control is established by initiating a go.mod file in the project's main directory. For example, creating a go.mod file with specific version declarations ensures that the project consistently incorporates the correct dependencies, thereby maintaining consistency in developmental environments across different machines. In Golang, you can create a new module by executing go.mod init module name. Subsequently, add a dependency to your module by importing the required package in your code and then running go.mod tidy to have the dependency automatically included in the go.mod file. For instance, in the code snippet provided, a new gin module is created by importing github.com/gin-gonic/gin and then utilizing it to set up a basic web server with a hello world message being returned upon accessing the specified route. Go packages are like individual ingredients used in a recipe. Go modules are like the recipe itself that contains a list of ingredients. When developing a program, each Go package is like a function or piece of code that serves a specific purpose. The Go module is the overarching project that brings all the different packages together to create a cohesive program. Hey, Code Conquerors! Ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning 24/7 support and expert guidance. Coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Go to our website across the globe, www.atg.world. The code presentation showcases the use of Go packages and modules to create a unified program for baking a cake. Each component package is dedicated to a specific task related to the cake-making process. Cake.go. This package contains the functionality to create the cake batter by mixing flour, sugar, eggs, and milk. It encapsulates the logic for preparing the base of the cake. Frosting.go. This package focuses on making the frosting by blending butter, powdered sugar, and vanilla extract. It handles the creation of the frosting that will be spread on the baked cake. The decorations package deals with enhancing the cake's appearance by adding sprinkles and edible flowers on top. It provides the necessary functions to adorn the cake. Main.go. This file acts as the main module that orchestrates the entire cake-making process. It imports the cake, frosting, and decorations packages to leverage their functionalities. By integrating these components, the main module defines the sequence of steps to create and bake the cake. When the main program is run, it orchestrates the execution of the make cake, make frosting, and add decorations functions from their respective packages. Finally, a hypothetical function for baking the cake would complete the process. In the realm of real-world applications, this analogy serves as a simplistic representation of how Go packages and modules can be structured to build complex software systems. Just as in baking, where various ingredients and techniques come together to create a delightful cake, Go packages and modules provide a structured approach to organizing code for efficient development and maintenance. A similar concept of organizing code using Go packages and modules can be found in the automotive industry. Let's consider a scenario where different packages represent various components of a car, such as engine, chassis, wheels, and electronics. A module would then bring all these packages together to assemble a functional vehicle. In this analogy, we could have the following structure. Engine.go, package representing the engine component. Go package engine func, assemble engine, function to build and test the engine. Chassis.go, package representing the chassis component. Go package chassis func, assemble chassis, function to construct and reinforce the chassis. Wheels.go, package representing the wheels component. Go package wheels func, add wheels, function to mount and align the wheels. Electronics.go, package representing the electronics component. Go package electronics func, install electronics, function to connect and program electronic systems. Assembly.go, module bringing everything together. Go package main import, engine, chassis, wheels, electronics, func main, engine.assemble engine, chassis.assemble chassis, wheels.add wheels, electronics.install electronics, function to integrate all components and perform final testing. By structuring the code in this manner, we can see how Go packages, car components, are utilized within a Go module, assembly process, to create a cohesive system, fully assembled car. Each package serves a specific function and contributes to the overall functionality of the end product. Across the globe, industries leverage the power of packages and modules in Go to streamline development and improve code organization, enabling efficient collaboration and maintenance of complex systems. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.